Welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox this Shein order for my upcoming trip. And guys, I'm going to a very brutally cold place. So for my first item, we have these indoor sleepers. I actually love them, they're so comfortable. If you know me, you'll know that I'm a fair girly, so I love this shirt. I find it so cute. No ways, guys, look at that. Next we have this small alarm clock. I actually bought it just for room decor, but I can't wait to try it. Moving on to my favorite item in this order, literally, I love it. Then we have these cow print socks. They are actually warm and perfect for the weather of my destination. They say a trip is not complete without a hot shower, so I had to buy this cute shower cap. I love the color and the size. Mystery, who are you? Okay, I'm going to use this bottle for hot water or coffee. I love what's written outside. It says everyone can find their own styles. Go find your stars, guys. Then we have this hot water bottle. Do you guys notice that there is a lot of pink items in my order? I guess I was in my girly mode. I love it. Oh, this is actually one of my favorite items as well. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my. I love these gloves, but I was not happy with the ear covers. They are too small. They are not even adjustable. You can touch the phone screen with these gloves. I love the color and the fabric of this kit. It's giving Korean vibes. Then we have these ear covers. I actually love them compared to the ones I showed you before. They are adjustable, they fit me, they are everything. Look at that. Perfect. I didn't even want to show you the pink ones. They are too small, guys. Then we have this winter scarf. I love it, but see I pull my eye. Okay, we are almost done. Do you guys see that I didn't actually buy clothes per se? I was just buying essentials for the trip. Anyways, these are packing bags. I bought them in 3 different sizes. Yeah. I hope I will be able to save up some space with these. Hopefully. I'm gonna try and take you through the packing process. Then we have this casual vest. I'm gonna wear it with track pins. We've come to the end of it. Bye.